In this exercise, you'll have to assemble the correct cleaning materials for a series of tasks. The cleaning store contains several cleaning chemicals and color-coded cleaning materials. Drag the correct cleaning materials from the cleaning store to the area at the bottom of the screen. Yellow gloves. Orange bucket. Yellow cloth. Orange cloth. Yellow bucket. Yellow bucket. That is incorrect. To prevent cross-contamination, a yellow bucket should only be used for high-risk food preparation areas. Sanitizer. That's right. This area should be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected with a sanitizer. A yellow cloth should be used to prevent contamination. Orange, yellow gloves. Yellow. As we've seen, the design of food premises plays an important role in avoiding contamination of food. Here's a kitchen. Find the reportable defects to minimize the risk of food contamination. Click on the areas when you can see a reportable defect. In this exercise, you must check the contents of the fridge and remove any items that should not be there. Decide which items to move, then use the hand tool to pick up the items and move them. Please state your reasons for placing this food item here. That's correct. Food which has passed its use-by date should always be discarded immediately. Please state your reasons for placing this food item here. That's correct. Dented can should always be discarded, as the contents cannot be guaranteed as safe. Please state your reasons for placing this food item here. That's correct. Ice cream should always be stored in the freezer. Storing ice cream in the fridge for any amount of time could potentially cause poor quality, followed by contamination of other food, followed by bacterial multiplication. Please state your reasons for placing this food item here. That's correct.
This customer had just finished eating his food when he experienced sudden flushing of the skin. The manager immediately called for medical assistance. He then asked the supervisor to investigate and identify the problem area. Can you help him to identify at what stage the allergenic hazard was introduced? Click the graphics which show where the allergenic hazards were introduced. There are 4 questions in total, and sometimes there'll be more than one correct answer. So ensure that you look at every image before choosing your answers. That's right. Soya is an allergenic hazard and should not be mixed unless your recipe specifies it clearly. That's right. Make sure that the food served matches the menu description to avoid allergenic hazards. That's right. Ensure the delivered food is properly packed and segregated to avoid allergenic contamination. One crucial measure to protect food from contamination is to keep your hands clean. Adequate facilities need to be provided for washing hands. Can you identify what facilities are required to wash hands? Drag the graphics at the bottom of the screen and drop them near the wash basin, if they are suitable, or in the bin, if they are unsuitable. Dirty bar of soap. Well done. Sink. That's incorrect. Sinks are used for washing equipment and utensils or food, and are unsuitable for hand washing. Bin with lid which requires handling. That's right. Cold water. Well done. Wash hand basin. Well done. Tea towels. Well done.